At Sola CC, we breed heroes. No, not the cape-wearing kind. The everyday kind of heroes. The problem-solving kind. The ones installing machinery, troubleshooting equipment, ensuring our factories and plants are running right. The kind of heroes we breed are the ones with a passion for what they do. Our Industrial Maintenance Technician program lets you master real-world skills in a fast-paced environment. You'll learn how to maintain production equipment of robotic, electrical, hydraulic, solar, and wind systems. From installing to repairing, you'll gain practical experience to help you thrive in the growing manufacturing industry. Once you complete your training, you'll understand the best practices of the industry and be steps away from beginning your career as a hero. Whether you want to work as an industrial machinery mechanic or as a maintenance technician, Sola CC will prepare you for life in industrial maintenance after graduation. We believe the best way to create heroes is to give our students knowledge that empowers them, transparency so they know what to expect, and motivation to drive them to be the best around. And our small class sizes, low tuition rates, and high job demand make becoming a hero even easier. So what are you waiting for? Be your own problem solver, solution seeker, world changer. Be your own hero at Sola CC. Visit our programs page to learn more about Industrial Maintenance Technician at Sola CC.